How to remove all Instagram likes at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version on your device. So just go to Instagram. Now as you can see, the Instagram application has an update available for my device. So we have to do is just go to the update and just update the application. Now after updating the application, you have to go to the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So you just go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can just see the option of your activity over here. Now just tap on your activity, then tap on likes. So here you can see all the videos and all the posts that you have liked on Instagram. So if you want to delete it at once or remove all of these likes at once, what you can do is just tap on the post and then just select manually each and every one and then tap on unlike, then tap on unlike again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today.